Great evening folks, in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about Mana. Decentraland is a mid-positioned coin with a ticker MANA that has a current worth of $1.16 and a market capitalization of $2,140,914,402. Digital forms of money have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate. Some enormous speculation banks even obtain Decentraland and other cryptographic forms of money as a group to safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors. On May 13, the cost of Decentraland was at $0.709043 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 13.28%. 7 days prior, on May 7, Mana was esteemed at $1.45, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has changed by 0%. A month prior, on April 14, the market member laid out the cost of Decentraland at $2.20, hence, the coin has made a 47.23% move to arrive at its current standings. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Decentraland isn't the main variable that we think about while making the cost forecast. It means quite a bit to watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have an unmistakable perspective on where the market is going. Recently, on May 13, Mana had a market capitalization of $1,307,542,435. Keep going week. On May 7, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $2,669,540,434. A month prior, on April 14, the market worth of Decentraland was evaluated to be $4,055,535,539. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with Mana arrived at the place of $1,569,195,128. Recently, on May 13, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $565,344,048. 7 days prior, on May 7, how much Mana that was traded between market members was assessed at $239,895,206. Decentraland, Mana, portrays itself as a computer-generated experience stage in light of Ethereum blockchain. Clients can utilize, adapt, and experience the substance and application subsequently. On the Decentraland stages, Mana tokens can be utilized to buy symbols, wearables, and different things. Further in this video, you will find out about Mana price prediction and Decentraland exchanging examination. This organization was made in 2017 with an underlying symbolic offer of roughly $24 million. Further in this video, you will peruse our Decentraland price prediction 2022 in light of the fact that many have put away their cash by watching this 10x development in only a couple of days. Since gaming on the blockchain is as yet another idea, it is vital to peruse Mana cost estimates from various sources. Land and Mana are the two tokens utilized by Decentraland. Mana is an ERC-20 symbolic that should be obliterated to get the ERC-721 land tokens, which are non-fungible. In any case, prior to perusing Mana price prediction, it is critical to find out about what the Decentraland metaverse is and the way in which it will act from now on. What is Decentraland? Prior to financial planning and perusing Mana cost expectation, we urge you to peruse the most essential stuff about the Mana. Ari Milik, the chief venture pioneer, drives the group Mana. Esteban Ordano is responsible for the innovation region. Decentraland has been around for longer than typical. In the year 2015, the crew arrived at their most memorable achievement, Stone Age. A portion of the group's administrations are furnished as a team with DISTRICX0X, Aragon, and Imtikan. Mana is an exceptional organization in the blockchain world with no huge or direct contenders. Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. Metaverse game tokens definitely stand out in cost climbs. Anybody can play Decentraland on their PC simply by utilizing a program. Individuals can purchase land and other advanced things which can likewise be called NFTs in the game through NFT commercial center like Apencia. The frenzy of Decentraland is expanding consistently on the grounds that immense groups like Binance, KuCoin, and numerous others are purchasing land in the game and building their own virtual structures to publicize their items and applications. Along these lines, the impending game Blocktopia is building an advanced metaverse game that will be utilized by brands to promote in-game flags. In light of expanding fame, we are covering Decentraland price prediction for the forthcoming years. What makes Mana stand out? This stage fills in as a nexus for specialists, organizations, and people looking for new creative mediums, business possibilities, or entertainment. Mana is one of the most established metaverse projects which was begun way back in 2016. What's more, it is the greatest contender of the Sandbox 2. Guide. In the point of view of Mana, the Iron Age will be the following stage following the Stone and Bronze Ages, giving promising turns of events and permitting it to ascend the improvement stepping stool. Following who claims each bundle in the virtual world would be a more splendid agreement. This aggressive achievement will incorporate a shared organization, a micropayment framework, and a land-the-board connect with a prearranging language, in addition to other things. There is a superb chance to begin the Decentraland Iron Age development. Decentraland vs Sandbox. Mana vs Sand. The subject is beginning new abhorred contentions via online entertainment, particularly on Reddit. The two gatherings have their own focuses to say. As we would see it, Sandbox addresses a more gorgeous and advanced completed game when contrasted with Decentraland. In any case, the two of them are in their beginning phase, and huge changes will come soon. Mana price prediction. Decentraland is one of the many undertakings that utilization a decentralized independent association (DAO) structure for administration decisions. By proposing and deciding on strategy refreshes, Mana token holders have something to do with how the Decentraland universe works. Numerous Decentraland clients right now bring in cash from their property through renting, promoting, and selling paid encounters. Many have proactively given their Decentraland price prediction. However, some of them are talking about technicals and not about the actual task. Continue to find mind that this Decentraland price forecast is just in light of how the venture is performing and what esteem it offers in the blockchain world. Mana market data and price in real time. Mana has an ongoing information cost of $0.742542 United States dollars and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $66,708,960 United States dollars. The information is gotten from a specialized investigation and an exhaustive continuous conjecture. Decentraland has acquired 2.90% in the past 24 hours. The ongoing business sector capitalization is at number 76. The ongoing business sector capitalization is $1,349,167,774 United States dollars. There are 1,816,959,291 Mana tokens available for use. This is the ongoing business sector information and peruses our Mana cost forecast in the event that you are intending to haul your cash out as well as going to put your cash. Mana could zero in on extending its elements for consistent administrations, and web-based entertainment impacts could help the symbolics development.